What is up, people? This one come here, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, I'm super excited for this unboxing because it is from Puma. I love this brand for many reasons, and few of those are it is a very budget friendly brand. It provides great comfort, great quality at great pricing. So everything a college going person or office going person who is not a sneakerhead, who doesn't want some crazy sneakers or something like that, who just want a good pair of shoes, good pair of sneakers, this is a great brand to go for. Like, it's not like they don't provide some great sneakers, like they do some great sneakers as well. But if you want something subtle, simple, good for everyday, they still have got your back. And no, it is not a sponsored video, and Puma has never sponsored me. I don't know why. That's a sad story, but I'm super excited to show this pair to you guys. So without wasting any of the time, let's unbox it and then we'll talk. So this is PUMA CAVEN 2.0, a full white leather upper sneaker with that chunky silhouette similar to Nike Air Force 1. In this video, we are going to talk about the sneaker, the quality, the comfort, the pricing, everything about it. Starting with the quality on this pair, you get to see that white tumble textured leather all over it, that different layers of panel on the lace eyelets, toe guards, back heel, on the Puma side stripes gives a different character to this pair. I also loved the way they have branded this sneaker. They have used silver on the Puma logo on the tongue, on the side panel and on the back heel. That looks very interesting, very subtle, and sometimes from a different angle and from a distance you can't even see the logo properly. That is how beautifully they have placed the logo, and I believe that is how you make a sneaker very subtle but beautiful at the same time. I believe the toe box on this pair, the thick midsole, the structure, the silhouette of the sneaker reminds me of Nike Air Force 1 a lot, and that is what I feel. Do let me know what you guys think. Just look at this picture, just look at this pair, just have a look at this. I'll wait for a second. What you guys think? From a distance, will they look similar? Do they have any similarities? Do let me know in the comments. I will wait for that because I strongly believe they look very similar from a distance. But I just want to know what you guys think. And now talking about the build quality on this pair, it is super solid, super good. If you wear it properly, if you are wearing it occasionally, this will really be with you for 2 to 3 years at least. But that is what I feel. People wear it in different ways and it will last you depending on how you wear it. So do not believe the time frame I have said it. It is just what I feel. If I wear it occasionally, how much it will last for me. Now talking about the sizing on this pair. This pair fits true to size. I am a UK 8 guy. This pair is UK 8 and this fits me perfect. Talking about the comfort, the sneaker has really good comfort. It has good padding around the heel area, on the tongue area, and you can wear this sneaker whole day long to your college and it won't hurt your feet. I'm not saying it will feel very spongy under your feet, but it has good, decent comfort. Now talking about the price point in this pair. This pair retails for 6,000 rupees. Yes, 6,000 rupees. But I have got it for more than 50% off. That is 2,867 rupees. That is a mind-blowing price on this pair. More than 50% off on this pair, this beautiful pair. It's crazy. I've got it from Amazon. You can go and check in the description. This pair comes in a lot of different colorways. You will get some black stripes here and more of that. But I feel this looks very clean, very nice, and it just feels like I don't want to wear this pair out because wearing this clean pair outside, just have a look at this, how beautiful the outsole is. I love the pattern, everything, and how clean it is. I don't want to wear this pair and step on a mud. That is what I feel. It's kind of a OCD problem, I believe. I don't have that, but it looks like I'm getting there. So yes, if you like this pair, I believe you will love this pair as well. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.